The views and opinions expressed on the Extra Pod do not reflect those of the UP Industrial Engineering Club, its leadership, nor its members. What's up, clubbers? Welcome to the Extra Pod, your source for stories from the passionate, magnanimous, and the very, very, very victorious clubbers. Ganon. I'm your host, as usual, Troy, and today we're talking about all things IE Club. But wait, let's take it up a notch. So, what's up, night owls? This one's for those who thrive when the world sleeps, the driven, the adventurous, the unstoppable. Ganon. Tonight we're diving into something a little bit different, something magical about the hours when everyone else is tucked in bed. Ganon.
Wow.
Yeah, so we've gathered some of our favorite night owls. Night owls. Yan, hi naman kayo. Folks who find excitement, inspiration, and peace when the stars are out and the night is still. Ang taray naman itong script na to. Tonight we're talking about what keeps them awake, what keeps them dreaming, and how they make the most of the night. So, yun. But this isn't just about ACADS. This isn't just about doing projects, studying, or late night org work. We're also here to talk about what happens when the work is done and it's just them, the moonlight, and the world of possibilities. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what it means to truly live for the night. Yeah. So without further ado, let's meet our amazing night owl clubbers. So joining me are some of the most dedicated, sleep-defying clubbers ever. Ganon. So let's do a quick round of introduction. So state your name, your position in IE Club, and then would you consider yourself a night owl? So let's start with si Lexi.
Okay, hi, I'm Lexi. I am PM for Org Partnerships. Yes. Second sem in a row.
Wow.
Yes, I would consider myself a night owl. Like for me, nighttime is my me time. Like I want to stay awake as long as I can so that the next day doesn't come. If you get
Oh, okay. I see. All right. Next up, Alan.
Okay, hi guys. Do I look there? Okay.
Sure, you look everywhere. Kung kaya mo.
I am Alan. Okay, I'm ano ba ako? Oh, I'm the 22nd batch rep. I'm the 22nd batch rep and also an officer for Uplift. And I would consider myself a very, very night owl. Like, I think siguro yung mga friends ko, as in like they know me as like the very night owl. As in like, hindi lang night owl, hindi lang like 2 a.m. night owl. Mga ano ko like mga 5 a.m. night owl.
Oh,
6
wow.
a.m. night owl.
morning owl.
Grabe na.
Yeah.
Alright. Sige. And last but not least, Jan.
Hi, I'm Jana, Director for App Data and Evals. Do I consider myself a now? Siguro recently lang, like this year lang. Kasi if I, like my past friends, they would tell me na parang, aga mo natutulog. Like before 12, tulog na ako. But then recently, like because of college probably, I think I see myself na natutulog na like as late as like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. So, but then for me, like I take early night naps. Like for example, from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So like may ganong longing pa yung body ko. But then I have
Kids.
a 6 a.m. body clock. Like 6 a.m. nagigising ako.
Me also.
Yeah. So like, so yan. That's
Like
me.
regardless ng oras ka matutulog, 6 a.m.
So yun, pag like kunwari 3 a.m. ako natutulog, 6 a.m. gising na rin
But
ako.
you don't sleep again.
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So yun, that's me.
Grabe. Ang lovely group of guests naman natin. Mga nagpupuyat talaga. I love it. So thank you so much for being here. I know like past few weeks, plural, sobrang dami exams, presentations, whatever, papers. So yeah, we're more than happy and thrilled to have everyone here as we shine a light on those who thrive in the dark. Ayun, and yun. Alright, before we dive deep into the night, let's break the ice with some quick fire questions. Because I think first time nyo on the Extra Pod.
Yes.
Yes, first time nila, mga babies pa ng Extra Pod. So ayan, so answer with the first thing that comes to mind. And hindi naman lahat kailangan sumagot, so I'll just point to whoever to answer.
okay.
Interesting.
So, at the top of your head.
Okay.
So let's start kay Lexi. What's the weirdest thing you've bought at night?
Oh my god. Maybe like hair rollers.
Hair rollers?
Like yung pang tita na like hair rollers.
Oh, like online shopping?
Yeah.
Alright.
TikTok.
Yeah, TikTok shop.
TikTok shop.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Next one, Alan. If you could listen to just one song before you sleep at night, what would it be? And why?
I think it's gonna be Kiss Me by...
Oh,
I forgot that name. No, kasi it has like a, like someone like, Kiss Me.
Ah!
Ito yung title ng song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice, that's nice.
Yeah, and then parang naalala ko yung nung patulog na ako kasi play ko lang yun, tapos like nakatulog talaga ako.
Crazy.
Medyo na-caught off guard
I
lang
love
kami.
that song.
Hindi!
Ito ba yun ng song or like, utas ba siya? Like, kiss
I
me.
forgot the I forgot the
Ipa-play niya na yun.
Ipa-play niya.
Okay.
Wag na baka makapiright tayo. Baka makapiright tayo. Tama ba? Kiss me
yeah,
by sino?
Sixpence none the richer.
Okay. Na-caught off guard lang kami. Like, are we saying
Yeah,
this to
it was good,
someone?
it was
Or
good.
like, ito yung title ng song? Okay, sige, Jana. What's the weirdest but most comforting thing you do before bed?
Before bed, I have a photo booth on my laptop. Tapos, usually sa gabi, nag-record ako ng yap off to myself. Na like,
Wow.
let's say, an average of 30 minutes. So like,
30 minutes?
That's long.
yeah, that's long. I think the longest was 55 minutes talaga. So, parang ilabas ko lahat ng thoughts ko before I go to bed. So, I go to bed with a clear mind
I
talaga.
see.
I do that too. But it's
Really?
like 2
Diba?
minutes. 2 minutes. I like 30 minutes. is
5
kinda long.
Hindi kasi parang ano yan,
Yeah.
first 2 minutes sabihin ko, it's 6 p.m. of April 5, and then this is my current life state, gano'n.
That's cute though.
Oh, true. Like,
Yeah.
reflecting on like, anong
Yes,
nangyari.
reflecting on my life.
Right.
Like a mirror. Okay.
Grabe, like a mirror. Grabe, good for you. So, okay, last one to all guests. What's your night out essential? Coffee, tea, or energy drinks?
Me, coffee. Like instant coffee, 2 teaspoons
Oh.
of instant coffee. So it's like strong.
Okay. Magbisita po tayong puso.
Ganda.
Hindi ko sure kung kita siya, but yes. Hello. Thank you very much.
Okay, mine is coffee din. Pero yung brown coffee na I mean yung hindi siya yung like 3-in-1 eh. Like yung ako mismo may gagawin yung ganun, yung 1 teaspoon of black
Same.
ano yan, like the
Espresso,
coffee granules
instant
lang.
coffee.
Hindi, parang lang, 1 scoop of like coffee granules and then creamer and then sugar. Yeah.
Same.
Dapat
May
yung-
recipe
dapat-
po siya.
Yeah, dapat yung dapat yung matamis para
And then-
like nagpa-palpitate ako.
And then you put a pinch of salt.
What?
Like
Salt?
this, oh my gosh, like vouch. Like
Really?
if you put a pinch of salt in your coffee, it will taste 10 times better.
Damn.
Like
Ano
believe
yun?
me, like this is the one thing. Like believe me on this.
Okay, I'm gonna try that.
Yeah.
Subukan na.
Later na.
Naku, pag ito mapait, mamay sa
Oh,
Ay, maalat pala, maalat. Medyo,
Skill
okay.
issue na yan.
Oo, true.
I think for me, if I need to lock in, it's either Zeus coffee or daily coffee. Like,
May
Spanish
brand.
latte,
May brand.
iced coffee. Yeah. As in, kasi pag bibili ako, kailangan talaga sulitin ko yung binili ko.
Gets.
Yes.
Grabe. So, pag late ng gabi, kailangan bibili ka pa.
Ganun.
Tatayo siya. Or pag
Or grab.
Lakas ako
Pero
pera.
pag like,
Oo nga,
kunwari,
ganun pala yung...
pag like 12 a.m. since hindi naman kasi lahat ng coffee shops open, usually pick up. Kasi yun yung 24 hours.
Oh, yeah.
True. Sorry, mga hanggang instant lang kami.
Ay!
Sabi ko biglang may brand. Sabi ko nabigla naman ako. Alright, sige. Well, thank you so much for that really quick. Sana nagising kayo. Although paggabi
Yes.
naman na. Since gabi namin ito nire-record. But yeah, with that, let's move on to what really keeps each and every one of you awake at night. So let us know. Is it studying, org work, nagkaka-existential crisis ba kayo at like 2 a.m.? Ano ba? What keeps you up at night? Go. Anyone can go.
I think I can go.
Huh?
I think I can go. I'm thinking.
Me? Okay.
I'm still thinking.
Whoa.
Well, honestly, like I love sleeping. Like
Yeah.
if I'm not required to like, how do I say this?
Kasi hindi mo kailangan.
Like if hindi ako required magpuyat, I would prefer not to. But I would.
Oh, yeah.
Ang ganda naman
Parang-
self-control.
Paano ba? Like if I have something to do, like let's say I have an exam tomorrow, like I will stay awake as
Mhm.
much as I need to like finish
Yeah.
studying. But if I have nothing to do, I will doom scroll the same amount of time
Oh,
and still sleep at the same time.
Same.
Yes. And yes, very much existential crisis person here. Parang at the end of the day, when it's just me, I rethink my whole day. Like, oh my gosh, this interaction with this person, I was so cringe.
I should have said this.
Yeah, I should have said this. Oh,
I shouldn't have said
I
this.
should have done this instead. Yeah, that's very me.
I
Every
see.
night.
Mga reflective, ano pala kayo.
Yeah.
Mga right before you sleep, let me think about what happened today. Ganun. Kayo, what keeps you up at night?
For me, ako naman, hindi ako yung, if I'm gonna stay up at night, I avoid my bed talaga. Kasi parang na-associate ko in my head na like, if I go to bed, I must sleep in the first 10 minutes. So I have a couch in my unit. Tapos dun ako usually nagsistay. And then, if hindi ACADS, it's more of like, doom scrolling also. And, naglilinis din ako ng camera roll, like, frequently pag gabi. Like,
That's
if like screenshots or like, yung mga bot click na like, na-bot click yung camera ko, ganon. So, yun yung, like, clerical tasks lang na like, medyo type A person kind of thing. So, yun yung pinag-aabalahan ko and like, my free time at night. And then, usually kasi at home, parang I have, may lights off moment yung family ko. So, like, at a certain time, like, I think it's pretty early because my parents are early risers. So, like, 11:30, wala na akong wifi. So, I usually talk with my sister ng like until 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So like, di namin talaga sinusundan yung like window of like sleeping na yun. Pero like, we would stay up all night talking. And then, since I see my sister ng like twice a week lang. So, medyo sinusulit namin yung time na yun. Kasi we don't even talk while I'm here in school. So, dun talaga namin nilalabas lahat. And then, it's usually like, alam mo yung ate, like older sister to younger sister advice. Ganon. And then, hinuhard namin yung ref. Like, kung ano man yung mahanap namin pwedeng kainin sa ref, kinakain namin.
Midnight snack.
Midnight snack. So, yun.
Alright. Ang disciplined naman ng family mo. Sa amin parang hindi lang wifi, kailangan yung kuryente mismo. Kasi medyo malala po kami as a family. Wifi lang, may data kami lahat. Kaya yung gawin. Real. What about
Okay,
you?
for me naman, grabe yun sa kanya.
Oo nga, ang discipline.
Maganda, parang may ano din, parang naging close sila like as a family din, like athlete.
Kami wala.
Okay, wala kami kanya-kanya.
Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo.
Oo. Pero ako kasi I think for the past 5 years.
5 years?
For the past 5
May
years
time
kasi,
frame.
like I've been living with my lola kasi talaga. And then, hindi ko kasama yung like parents ko, hindi ko kasama yung siblings ko. So, pag talaga late night or like kapag gabi talaga, it's just me time. Like, sobrang dami kong like me time talaga like the whole night. And then, siguro, depende na lang kung like late ako uuwi, kung like meet ko pa yung like friends ko, like lumabas pa kami, tapos like uwi ako na like 12 or like 11. Pero, mostly talaga, ang ano ko, I mean lahat, I think napasadahan ko yun, like ACADS, napasadahan ko yung ACADS org work and then existential crisis. I think lahat yun na gagawa ko like sa buong gabi. But siguro ang ano ko lang, ang routine ko lang, lahat ng group works, inuuna ko gawin. And then like, lahat ng group works or may deadline na like, or within the day, ganyan. Like, hanggang like 12 a.m. And then after, lahat na ng individual recs ko. Yung like, yung hawak ko na yung like individual recs ko kasi like, hindi na kailangan na like, alam mo yun, parang, yung sa
May
group
mga
work,
nakasalalay sa'yo.
nakasalalay sa akin na like,
that's
group work
smart.
doon na. And then like, doon ko siya iniiwan lahat. And then kuwari, kapag magre-review ako for like, yung quiz, na syempre ako lang naman, kasi like, ako, like,
Problema ko na
problema ko na yun. Yung quiz ko, kung like, ibabagsak ko ba, mag-aaral ba ako. Doon ko na gagawin lahat, like 12 a.m. like onwards. Yun na, kapag ano. Pero, I think parang doon ako pinaka masaya, like 12 a.m. Kasi parang hindi na ako nakatingin sa like, parang progress ng iba. Parang sa akin na lang, gano'n.
Oo.
So siguro yung existential crisis, mga siguro tingin-tingin lang. Parang
In
pag may,
between.
in between na like, ako na parang like, nahihirapan ako, parang ba't ako nag-ai? Parang bakit ako nag-ai? Parang after yun, like, okay, wala akong choice. Mag-aaral ulit ako, tapos parang after yun, parang biglang may papasok ulit ako, parang like, parang hindi ako nagawa, ba't ko nasabi to? Parang gano'n. Parang magdadabog na lang ako mag-isa.
Pakita na daw.
Physically? Pero may isip ko, parang like,
Kaya ko naman kasi nagwawala.
wala na ako
Ganun,
eh.
Padjak lang naman pala.
Padjak na naman pala. Tapos pinag-aaral mo. Parang gano'n na. Sa
Hindi
ending
naman,
siya.
sobrang controlled mo mag-existential crisis.
Yeah.
Diba? Like,
Kasi once
in-between eh.
nag-start siya, parang, medyo matagal na yun.
Ay, ako parang tiniting talaga yun. May isip ko bigla parang like, bigla magre-react ako ng parang sobrang weird. After bigla, okay, alam.
Wow.
Wala tayong choice.
Wala tayong choice. Ganun.
Gets.
Yeah, ganun.
So would you say na mas, ramdam yun na ba na mas productive kayo at night?
Yes, 100%.
100%.
Yes.
Fully. Bakit kayo?
I think kasi walang nangingistorbo pag gabi. Like, ako lang. So,
Gets.
like, ito yung time na parang it's socially acceptable to ignore messenger talaga. Also, like, everyone's sleeping and like, onti lang yung mag-message ng ganong oras. So, parang, mas control mo yung oras mo and then parang ikaw lang talaga. Like, it's your world. It's your world after 12
That's true.
midnight.
Yeah.
Since-
Oo nga, tama
Kaya
naman.
Wow. Gusto ko yung, it's ano, it's your
It's
world.
your world.
Diba?
It's your world.
Diba?
Pero gets, kasi ako din like, wala talaga akong, I mean, wala namang akong kasama talaga. I mean, yung lola ko lang. Pero like, parang kapag din like 10 p.m. parang tahimik na talaga. So parang like, ako na lang mag-isa, parang gano'n. Minsan parang nagaya pa ako pag kuwari, sobrang tahimik ng mundo, parang, Discord tayo, ganyan. Pero to a certain like time lang din. Hindi mo siguro umabot ng 10 a.m. Parang kasi sila, kailangan din nilang matulog. Parang gets ka lang. Pero ako kasi parang nag-stay up pa talaga ako until like 4 or 5. Just like, crazy.
Good.
So yeah.
For me, like, I feel like kasi I'm the type of person, like, if I have something scheduled, that's the only thing I can think of the whole day. Like, let's say, ako hindi bang like, may Zoom meeting ako ng 5 p.m. So the whole day, I'm just mentally preparing for my 5 p.m. thing.
Yes.
So like, if it's like, during the day, let's say I have classes, I'm gonna have lunch with my friends, something like that. Like, my mind is like super occupied and I can't like lock in. But if it's like nighttime, it's just me. Like I don't
It's,
have
like,
anything
free.
else. Yeah, like I'm not thinking of anyone else or anything else. Like I can just do whatever I want. So I'm
Yeah.
like able to lock in.
O sana hindi mo inisip masyado yung 6 p.m. recording natin.
Hindi, inisip ko
Sabi ko mamaya.
It's like, it's coming 6 p.m.
Good. Okay, so now that we know why all of you stay up late at night, so tell me how you make the most of these nights. So meron ba kayong like nighttime routine? I think medyo nakwento mo na yung sa'yo kanina. So kayo, meron ba kayong nighttime routine? Like, is it set in stone na, okay, 8 o'clock maghilamos ako, and then after that, mag-work ako, and then after that, hilamos ulit or whatever. Nighttime routine before you go to
I mean,
bed.
it's kind of hard. I mean, medyo
It's
hard.
hard.
Yeah, hard question. Kasi minsan parang kung ano lang din yung like, I mean, meron ako nakaset na like order of like yung gagawin. Like, nasa-set ko lang yung order ng Rex na gagawin ko na like, ito yung gagawin ko and then ito. Pero yung like yung pagsingit ng like, kuwari hilamos, kuwari biglang magkaka-existential crisis ka ba or like mag-M ka ba?
Sad naman kung plinano mo na mag-existential crisis ka, diba? Sige, so 9 o'clock na mag-ano ako.
Ubang-bang ako.
Oo.
Pero yung mga,
6 p.m.
yung mga hindi like related sa like ACADS or parang yung mga gagawin ko talaga for lock-in. Like, hindi ko siya napaplan. Minsan parang may isip ko na lang na parang, okay, I need a break. And then like, okay, I'm gonna watch. Parang ganun. Pero yung order talaga ng like Rex, yung order na gagawin ko for the night, like nakaplana na siya.
Good.
So, yun.
Right.
No, I'm exactly like that also. Like I mean, siguro like pagka-uwi ko, that's when like my routine starts. Like, for me, I have to take a nap first. Like when I get home, I can't do anything else
Felt.
if I don't
Felt.
take a nap first. And because of that nap, like I can stay up longer.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Right.
like the hilamos, the everything, it's like kung ano na feel ko. Like especially if there's a deadline, okay, lock in muna.
Lock in muna.
After ko mag-nap. And then, okay, rest muna. I'll wash my face and like, yeah.
Good.
Depende.
Good. Do you have any go-to like habits or like kakaibang rituals? Hindi naman ritual, ayun ng rituals, pero like practices na like unique sa'yo. I mean, ikaw nagbubunot kayo ng wifi, di ba? Which parang gusto ko siya i-recommend sa pamilya ko. Mami, ready pagdating ng, siguro anong oras ba kayo?
11, ganun.
11.
Ang aga.
Honestly, ang aga ng 11. Siguro mga 9 o'clock, bunutin na natin lahat, tulog na. Do you have like unique practices na parang, you know, we listen and we don't judge before you go to bed? Oh, di ba? Meron ba ako?
Hindi naman sa weird, pero it's like, it's such a kid thing to do. I drink milk before bed also. Kasi,
I've been getting back into that then recently.
yeah, no,
I get it.
We love milk.
yeah,
Yeah.
like pure milk lang kasi I'm also vitamin D deficient. So like,
Ah.
What brand?
Nestle lang. Well, I'm a like, pwede ba magmura?
Kaya na yan ni editing team.
Sorry, I'm a basic. I am so sorry. But yes. But yeah, parang hindi naman dahil doon. But it's more of like it's a comforting thing. It helps you also sleep and yeah.
True. Parang ngayon hindi na ako masyadong coffee, nagmi-milk na lang ako.
Really?
Honestly, I like
Hindi
it.
kayo lactose intolerant?
Lactose din.
So paano yun?
So sa morning, yung unang-una kong ginagawa, Jebs.
Yeah.
So I don't Jebs the whole day anymore.
Smart. I see. Paano balance out yun? Ako siya, gusto vitamin D. Pero sige, laban. Fighting. Kayo, any unique practices you do before you sleep?
For me, and it's not that unique though. Like for me, like pag hindi pa ako matutulog or like hindi na ako like decided na okay, I'm gonna like doom scroll na and sleep. It's big light. Like big light yung naka-on. And then like if like medyo accept ko na okay, medyo hindi na ako magla-lock in tonight. Like it's not happening. I will turn off the big light and then lamp. Like hindi ko kaya matulog ng all lights off.
it's giving ambient light.
Yeah. Like once that lamp is on, medyo alam ko na like matutulog na ako.
Anong kulay ng light ng lamp?
Like warm.
Like, medyo orange.
Yes.
Wow, grabe. May ambience nga talaga siya.
Grabe. Oh my God, ako medyo wala. Like wala, I mean, nag-doom scroll lang din ako. Pero I think yung siguro nag-overthink lang talaga ako. Siguro doon ko mapasok yung like existential. Siguro ang aking kinakain bago ako like talaga. Like talaga. Kasi parang ako kasi hindi agad ako yung parang mag-doom scroll. Kapag like na-feel ko na like inaantok ako, like papatingin ko talaga yung phone. Tapos like nakatingin talaga ako sa kisame. Hanggang sa like antay ko matulog ako. So doon like papasok na lahat ng tos, parang biglang nabobuang-buang ako. Hindi naman, sorry, joke lang. Hindi naman ganun. Pero parang hindi kasi agad ako like natutulog. Pero siguro kung kailangan kong pilitin sarili kong matulog, yun ngayon parang mag-play ako ng music, tapos parang like, kayaan ko lang sarili ko. Pero hindi talaga ako yung parang, alam mo yung mga nag-score, tapos parang biglang nakakatulugan. Hindi, pag ako natok na ako like tigil lang, tapos inaantay ko lang sarili ko, like nakatingin lang talaga ako sa kisame. Tapos like doon, minsan umabot ako like 1 hour.
No, yeah.
O parang like lang ako, tapos inaantay ko talaga sarili ko matulog. Kasi I think kapag pag din yung kape, pag nag-start na ako magkape, kailangan diba parang isipin mo like 5, parang sobrang late na. Kailangan mo na matulog. Pero parang antokin pa kasi talaga ako like 6 a.m. 7 a.m. which is sobrang di na healthy. So parang kailangan mo na pilitin sarili mo talaga matulog. So yeah, parang ako wala na akong ginagawa at all hanggang sa like parang maramdaman ko na lang kusa talaga yung tulog.
Gets. Right.
Medyo masama yung tama sa akin kapag kasi like sobrang tagal. Like hindi lang siya, it's not just like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Kasi like 5, 6, sumabot pa ng 7. So meron akong 11:30 pa.
Ano naman ang
So, yun.
natutunan mo tungkol sa kisame mo? Sa isang oras na tinitignan mo siya?
I think doon ako nakakapag parang doon talaga
black
ako
siya.
Black lang din.
Walang
Kasi ako
stars yung
kasi ako live, wala.
Lagyan mo,
siguro,
para
wala. Parang wala na ako nakita kasi like wala rin lang. Siguro agyo lang siguro. Pero may ganun. Pero like wala talaga.
Yun. Okay, so, I mean, tayo we're all students here. And nagka 7 a.m. class na ba kayo ever?
Yes.
Ay.
Wow. Ako nung online so hindi ko ina-attend. So hindi ko alam. So ayun. So how do you balance like yung cases na may early morning class? I mean, hindi lang 7 a.m. Like minsan 8:30 for me is maaga pa eh.
Yeah.
So like, syempre, how do you balance that na there are times na you have to stay up late and then the next day 7 a.m. 8:30 siya? Like, paano yun? And like, how do you cope with that? Kung naku-cope niyo siya, kasi ako hindi ko kaya.
First thing, hindi talaga ako nag-enlist. Sorry, pero
Correct.
Ang para sa akin, 10 a.m. is like yung peak na earliest. 10 a.m.
Medyo struggle.
8:30 parang like, parang hindi ko na kaya, parang masyado na akong
Like, traffic pa yun.
Yeah, that's true.
8:30 hindi talaga. So I think maganda sa akin ngayon, like earliest ko na talaga like 10 a.m. Pero I think kapag later naman, kasi meron akong, kasi kalat kasi yung classes ko. Like Monday to Saturday siya.
Oh.
And then, pero kasi parang, for example, like WF ko, it's just one class. First 1 p.m. So gusto yun, yung mga ganun, the night before, kaya kong, like, naset sa akin na like, okay, pwede ako mag-stay hanggang 6 a.m., 7 a.m.
Yeah.
Kasi like, matulog ako, gigising lang ako like 11. Wala na, like 12, magkabadali na ako sobrang like, akas. Pero kapag kuwari 10 a.m., kasi may 10 a.m. is CAS, it's TTH, yung 10 a.m. ko. Kung siguro kailangan, peak ko na yung 4, kailangan 4 tulog na ako. Para at least like 8 kailangan gising na ako. So like 4 hours. 4 hours, sorry.
4 hours na
Sapat na sa akin yun. Sapat na sa akin yun. So yeah, yun lang naman.
Yes. Kayo ba?
Well, kanina I mentioned yung 6 a.m. body clock talaga. I think that helps. Pero before, like naranasan ko na yung 7 a.m. class talaga. Ganun talaga. Nama-max out ko yung cuts doon, like usual. And it's a GE. So like, mas nakakatamad siya. Sorry. But yeah. Pero,
Gets naman.
yeah. Pero yun, parang I learned na din na I want to take my time also in the morning. So kahit may 6 a.m. body clock ako, gusto ko yung mabagal ako. Tapos kakain pa ako ng breakfast, matagal pa ako sa CR, ganun. So I think I learned na at least like the most optimal time is either 10 a.m. or optimal.
Medyo sinawag ng ganun yan.
Pinorte-1 mo yan.
Nag-dual simplex.
Simplex.
Pero yun, either 10 a.m. or 8:30. Pero yung 8:30 yan, usually late. So mga papasok 8:45, 9, gano'n.
At least pumasok.
At least pumasok, yes.
True. Di ba sa like sa US, ang standard nila is 10 o'clock?
Really?
I think, or like sa ibang countries, like parang hindi talaga, parang dito lang sa may Asian area. Sanay yung mga batang nagigising ng 5 o'clock.
Actually, parang ganun.
Di ba? Parang from what I know, parang Philippines, grabe tayo. Mga built different. We're built different. Ganun. Ikaw ba?
For me, as someone, like I said, like medyo iniisip ko lahat ng schedules ko, ganun. Like, if I know I have something in the morning, for me, like I said, I love sleeping. And medyo like, kahit, like, mahilig ako magpuyat.
Yeah.
Like, super like, mahina ako the next day if nagpuyat ako. Like, medyo ganun.
Paano?
Like,
So visual.
pero like, in fairness, wala naman akong like super early class. Like, my earliest class is like 10. But like, let's say I have an exam or something na like 9. I have to make sure na at least 3 hours yung tulog ko. Or else I will literally like D-word. Like,
Yeah.
ganun.
Hindi kaya naman.
Then I'll just like make it up to myself by sleeping after the morning thing.
Ah.
So like, let's say like morning exam. Okay, like magpupuyat ako. And then I'll have like 3 hours of sleep. And medyo like ganun ako. Then after the exam, I will like sleep for as long as I want to like wow it.
Love it.
Love that for you. Alright. Well, let's move on to our snacks. Favorite go-to midnight snacks. Ano ang favorite? Kasi for me, ice cream. Ewan ko. The sugar.
Ice cream kayo sa bahay?
I love ice cream.
Bakit?
I don't know, it's like our family doesn't buy it because it's like unhealthy to like always have it there or something.
Ang unhealthy ko pala. Na-judge ako bigla.
For me,
Okay.
instant
Pero yeah.
ramen. Instant ramen.
Instant ramen.
Ice cream
Anong-
versus instant ramen.
Oo nga, mainit malamig.
Medyo same lang eh.
Oo.
Same.
Anong instant ramen? Korean?
Yeah, Korean. Like, you know the Shin ramen?
What color?
The red with the
The
black.
red.
Oh!
That's spicy.
Yeah.
Para daw magising ka talaga.
No, I love spicy food.
Yeah.
Oh,
Get to know.
Kayo, go to
Ice cream
midnight
din.
snacks.
Tsaka,
Anong flavor?
diba, cookies and cream. Also, laging may, alam mo yung fish na ice cream sandwich?
Yes.
Laging may ganun sa ref ko pag uwi.
Samangko?
Yes, I
Yes.
love samangko. So laging may ganun pag uwi. So, yun yung tinatik, like, yun yung kinakain ko din. Tapos, since naggagatas ako, minsan may cookies yun. Yeah, like,
Oh.
dinadip ko and all that. So, yun.
That's so cute. That's like stereotypical like nighttime.
I know, but,
Oo.
but it's like, it's comforting.
Right.
Yeah.
Tama.
Hindi naman. I think, okay, medyo very basic lang. Pero like, tinapay talaga. I think yun lang.
Like,
tinapay lang
yun lang.
Ako rin.
Like, walang,
Ako rin.
walang,
Hindi, meron. Pero I think kasi, yun, sa bahay kasi namin, I mean, at least sa bahay ng like, ng lola ko, hindi na uubusan ng tinapay at saka peanut butter. Kasi yung peanut butter kasi namin, kasi like, I think last week ata, umuwi lang yun, kasi pumunta ng Baguio yung lola ko. And then like, nag-uwi siya na like, isang box na like peanut butter. And then yung peanut butter kasi namin, hindi siya, I mean, alam mo yung parang like orange na, na ano.
Yun yung best.
Like, not yung mga skippy, like,
No.
F that.
Masyado mahal.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It's not good.
Yeah, it's not good. Pero yun sa amin kasi, yung parang ganun siya, yung like orange na.
Yes.
Pero yung galing talagang Baguio.
Hindi ko lang alam.
galing pa ng
Pwede
Baguio.
magsabi ng brand?
I mean, nagsabi na siya ng brand
Oh,
kanina.
go!
Okay, yung Lolits. Basta
Oh,
Lolits peanut butter.
noted.
Search ko nga.
Medyo hindi siya masyadong, medyo nugu-nugu lang siya. Pero kasi like, pero sa ano talaga siya, like sa Baguio talaga siya nakaano. And then yun, like parating may ganun sa bahay. It's either like cream or like crunchy. May konting ano.
Ito ba?
Ito ba?
No. Ano ba spelling ng lolit? Embento ko lang yun.
brand siya eh.
Nugu.
Or baka, siya yung walang ano, yung walang...
Iba dyan.
Walang
But pero alam
Wala
alam mo
label.
yung sabi
Kasi
mo,
like-
may kulay yung taas.
Kasi orange,
Yung
I think
orange,
parang
yung
nagsiseparate
orange.
pa yung oils. You have to,
Oo.
you have to mix it like...
Galing bagay pala yung mga yun.
Diba?
Galing bag. Medyo maarte rin kasi kami, like sa peanut butter. Like, gusto namin yung gano'n. Ayaw namin yung like sa, like yung commercial. Pero like, gano'n sa peanut butter tayo. Pero ayaw din namin yung ano, ayaw din namin yung like, super oily kasi kapag yung sa palengke, merong time na like sobrang laki ng like oil sa taas.
Ay, ibang level na
Oh.
yun.
Hindi naman, ibang level. Pero sa Baguio kasi parang tama lang. Parang hindi super kapal. Pero like, haaluin mo siya. Tapos iba kasi yung like, masarap talaga siya. So I think yun lang talaga. And pero, go to snack, tinatry ko talaga na hindi rin talaga kumain like sa ano.
Masama nga daw kumain sa gabi.
Sa gabi. Kasi ano, I mean, medyo nililimit ko rin kasi talaga yung food intake ko. Para like, kailangan talaga like gabi, parang nasa isip ko na like, hindi ako kain. Kahit talaga kumakalam ng smoke, hindi talaga. Pero I think yun lang, I think one bread. And then,
merienda
okay na
lang.
yun.
Like half.
Snack lang.
That will get me through the night. Like
Yeah.
yun lang talaga, snack lang talaga.
Good.
Kasi hindi talaga nauubusan ganun sa bahay. So yeah. Love it!
Sponsor us, joke.
Shout out Baguio.
Yeah.
Shout out Baguio.
And then yun, sa Baguio pala yung galing. Ako gusto ko peanut butter sa saging. Na-try niyo na ba?
Oh, yeah.
Napunta na sa peanut butter.
Sorry, naging peanut butter episode.
I think yun talaga yung yun yung, I mean, saging tsaka peanut butter. As in, I think sila yung pinaka nagko-compliment.
They're like this.
They're like this.
Yeah.
They're like this.
Real.
Yeah.
Specifically yung peanut butter niya. Oh yeah, but yeah, back to the 99th episode. Ayun, so do you have any favorite midnight activities? Like, syempre, not academics related, not work related.
Of course.
Like, sabihin natin kung gusto niyo lang magpuya, like, anong trip niyo gawin? Like, is it video games? Do you call with friends? Or do you call anyone? Ooh, diba?
Me, kasi sa bahay, may balcony kami. Tapos yung view mo, ano siya, like,
Nakikita niya yung buong ano.
ganun talaga.
Nasa Arendelle.
Like, as in like, muni-muni moment talaga. Tapos like, puro city lights din kasi. Tapos
Of course.
walang,
Wow.
hindi siya super obstructed view. Kasi ang katapat namin, Pasig River. So like,
Taga saan ka?
taga...
Di ba si
Marikina.
Walang huli ako. Hindi, hindi, ano,
Ay,
Pasig.
nandiyan ako bigla.
Oh, yes!
Wow.
Pero like, near Taguig area na. So like, so
okay.
ano na to, parang ang view ko na is Rizal, like on my right Rizal, tapos like on my left Ortigas, tapos dun sa pinaka left was BGC and Makati. Tapos so like, kita
Medyo
din-
border na border.
border siya. Pero like, feeling provincia na kasi hindi super maingay. As in, sobrang mahangin din.
Wow.
So, it's like, peaceful. So, yun. Tapos pag nandito ako, titingin din ako sa window ko lang. So, like, ang view ko is Ateneo and Miriam. So, ano din yung sa likod nun, Marikina. So, yun.
Grabe.
Dudududud papasok
Hanggang
yun.
Kisame lang tayo. Sa kanya city lights. City lights kasi daw. So,
Isip mo lang yun na. Pero okay, ako naman.
midnight activities. Yes.
Actually, gusto ko pala sabihin, like, same din yung sa kanya yung yung kahit na wala akong gagawin, kahit wala akong akad, same pa rin yung yung tulog, yung sleep time ko, na like parang 4 AM talaga. Tapos like, ang gagawin ko lang, doon ko
nakasanay.
babawiin kapag kuwari, meron akong like episode ng isang like series na like hindi ko napanood, like, doon ko i-binge watch. Or, mag-ML lang ako like the whole night with friends. Hindi naman the whole night, ang okay naman yun. Parang, siguro like mag-max na yung 3 hours. And after no, like, doom scroll na lang and everything. So, yun na lang. Tas, pero, as much as possible, naghahanap pa rin naman talaga akong gagawin. Medyo na, nagigilty ako pag kuwari sobrang haba ng time ko na like, masyado ko nun, parang like, oh my God, kailangan ko kahit siguro yung next week, medyo gagawin ko na. Ish.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Diba?
Kasi kapag kuwari the whole night, medyo imposible kasi for me rin, na like the whole night, parang wala akong gagawin, parang that's good. Parang,
No, gets.
parang kailangan may
Sana natulog na lang ako.
Oo, parang at least kahit like parang half a page of like the doc lang.
Wow.
Actually, hindi ko talaga nun.
Ako nga format lang ako. Lagay ko lang yung name.
Palitan yung
Okay, that's
format.
enough. Yeah, that's
Basta may
enough.
naman somehow yung dog.
Oo.
Yeah.
May nasimulan. What about you?
For me, number one activity is doom scrolling, especially TikTok and IG Reels. Shout out to the people I send IG Reels to. But then, yung favorite ko, na gusto ko talaga is like Discord with friends and then like deep talks.
Nice.
It's like, that's my favorite thing. Like,
Medyo pandemic
kasi
vibe.
That's like, kasi like, alam niyo, like, we're not really strangers in the car.
I love
I don't have
that.
it kasi. So like, yung ginagawa ko is like, I search it on Pinterest.
Meron.
We're not really strangers. And then, there's like a website dati, but I
Yeah.
can't find it. Parang like,
I can send it.
Okay.
Yay!
What is this? Ano to? Context.
We're not really strangers.
Yeah, ano yan?
It's like basically like a card, the deck of cards, tapos may question siya, like, prompting, like, discussion na parang, what makes you feel most loved? Something like that. Like, ganong question siya.
Questions though.
And I love, because I'm a yapper. Like, I love, like, talking about stuff like that with my friends. So, like, abot kami hanggang, like, 4 a.m. Like, just, like, talking about, like, oh, what's your answer to this? Something. And it's, like, nice. Because I get to, like, bond with my friends. And I get to, like, see them in another light na outside of ACADS and stuff like that.
Gets. May ganyan pala. Ang alam kong version kasi yung pang-inuman. Parang ganun pa yung gist niya. Parang may mga question, pero syempre pang-inuman level. Gets.
We're not really strangers.
May wholesome version pala.
Yes.
Palink naman.
Yeah.
Link in the description below.
Oh!
Joke lang. May ganun ba? Sabi? May ganun pala. Interesting. Sige. So, do you have any weird or funny late night stories? May kwento ba kayo like may time na super late at night? Siyempre may ginagawa kayo and then maybe something out of the blue happened na hindi nyo in-expect. Meron ba kayong maisip?
Hirap niya na.
Oo nga. Chika.
Funniest?
Funniest,
Or weird
weirdest,
story.
embarrassing moment.
Ooh.
I know someone who has, kaso wala siya ngayon.
Aww.
Pero she had, hindi ko sasabihin yung pangalan ng clubber, pero she had a whole like meltdown kasi nasira yung printer niya. And she had, this was for like ES1, like printing of plates.
Not the
Oh my
ES1.
God.
And, like there was a whole like stressful moment na like sira yung printer and then parang nasira niya yung, do you know that project where you had to like build something and then 3D view?
Ah,
She
not that.
nasira siya and everything. So do you
Trigger
have
warning
anything?
sana.
Yeah, trigger warning if in case they are listening. Oo.
You're valid.
Meron ba
That's a
kayong
valid
ganong
crash
moment
out.
na like, why did this happen? Parang, bakit nababalikan yun like, that was crazy when it happened. Funny pala siya.
Oh my God. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. I think funny lang siguro. I think random like 3 a.m.
Okay.
May dumating na like parang delivery something. Tapos parang
3 a.m.
Yeah, 3 a.m. Tapos parang sabi daw niya like I think dito po yung like yung address ganyan. And then pero totoo wala talaga kami order. Pero like may dumating. It was parang ano lang siya. I think basta Wendy's.
Pagkain.
Pagkain.
Akala ko kasi like parcel.
Ay, hindi. Ano, like pagkain siya. Like
Okay.
from Food Panda. Food Panda siya. Tapos parang like, I think ito po ata yun. Tapos parang like, tapos parang napagtanungan na daw niya lahat doon na nasa street. Tapos parang, yun na lang doon yung like, parang pagkatanungan niya. And ano kasi kami, parang nasa may dulo-ish kami. Hindi, nasa may start-ish kami ng like ng street. So parang nag-google niya lahat doon. Parang last na kami. Wala daw. Tapos parang sabi ko like, parang ano na lang ako. Kasi sabi ko, wala naman na siya pagbibigyan nun. So sabi ko like, nakakalimutan ko, meron pala kayo. So kinuha ko na siya.
Pero bayad na siya.
Pero bayad na siya.
Ay, yung swerte naman.
Yun na talaga. Yun
Ay,
na
naku!
Sa kapitbahay mo ata
Tapos after nun, like, sabi ng parang nipyo, like, parang wala lang, parang nag-act lang ako, oh my God, may na pala ako, sorry. Parang after yun naman, parang wala namang nagreklamo sa akin na parang like, saan ba na po tayo order? Di naman tumawag din sa akin yung like, delivery or what, parang wala na naman. Kasi parang hinihingi niya rin yung number ko or something. So yeah, yun naman, if like, tapos parang sabi ko like, yeah, that's mine.
Parang hindi naman siya funny, parang ano siya, blessing siya. Bigla
Blessing
at
siya,
3
so, yeah.
a.m.
But like, that's parang sobrang weird lang din niya.
Oo nga.
Kasi parang parang sinabi yung pangalan, pero like, sabi ko, hindi ko po kilala.
Baka may nagpadala sa'yo.
Oo. Tapos parang biglang nano ko pala like, parang like, baka po yung like, parang binali pa rin. Pero ang totoo, parang ang daming parang, alam mo yung kapag ako yung magtatanong sa tao, parang like, ako ba talaga to? Pero parang siya, siguro, uwi na siya. Binigyan na lang niya talaga sa akin. Pero ang dami niya nahanapin niya kabuti sa parang, pero hindi ko alam. Pero parang sabi ko, ano pala, ganyan. Parang like, hindi niya napansin. Ganun. It was crazy. Parang sinakyan niya din talaga ako.
Pili ko like, mapagod siya like, every
Mapagod
house
ako
ba
siya.
naman.
Sige, sa'yo na.
Like,
Kaya mo na
like,
yun.
you've got
Kasi bayad naman na kaya mo.
Bayad naman na, yun eh. Nung narinig ko yung bayad,
hey.
So, tinanong mo, kuya, bayad na po ba?
Yun talaga.
Kung hindi siya bayad na
Parang,
gagawin.
so I just made up stories na like, parang
Me when I lie.
So, kung hindi siya bayad na gagawin mo, doon po kuya.
Kaya, hindi kasi siya, bayad naman ako kasi siya. So like,
You ate that.
Pagod naman na ate
literally.
sige.
I ate that,
He
literally.
ate that.
I ate the Wendy's.
Literally.
Snatched it from the driver.
Siya, burger and fries.
Ay, alala pa niya yun.
Alala niya pa. I mean,
Alam,
ako din
alala ko
naman.
yun.
Kung nakakuha ko ng libreng,
But yeah,
ano diba?
that's not funny, that's opportunistic.
Real. Ayun, kayo ba? Meron ba kayo?
Walang maisip.
Wala.
Medyo boring ka po.
Parang, hindi naman siya funny or weird. Ano lang, nagigigil lang ako pag binabalikan ko. Pag like bata ako, alam mo yung tinatakot ka na like 3 a.m. may lalabas na gano'n. Girl, ganun, like, I fell for that. Tapos parang may one time, nagising ako at like 2:55, ay like, yung 2:50, mga 2:59, tapos ihing-ihi ako, tapos di ba nga sabi, pag 3 a.m. lalabas siya, hinintay ko mga 3:05 bago ko lumabas na kwarto ko para mag-CR. So
Parang
like,
hindi mo siya matsyempohan.
diba? So parang let him have his own time. Tapos parang ako mga 3:05 ako lalabas. Tapos titingin mo na ako, nandiyan ba siya? Ganun. Kasi ganun ako gullible
Baka
na bata.
nag-CR pa siya eh.
Diba? Ganun akong gullible na bata. So like natatawa lang ako pag binabalikan ko.
Aray. Buti siya yung 3 a.m. ghost niya, nagbigay ng burger.
Di ba?
Ang swerte
Diba?
naman.
Diba?
Yeah,
Wait, I think I have.
Ayan. Kita mo, kunyari pa to eh. May
Hindi ko na
nag-deep
naisip
down pa sila eh.
I mean, hindi siya like, it's funny because of the characters. Okay.
Oh!
May character?
Hindi, kasi like, I'm someone like, medyo madalas akong ma-sleep paralysis.
Who's your sleep paralysis demon?
This was literally yesterday.
Oh!
Like,
Yesterday.
kasi
Very
like,
timely.
I was like super puyat for 2 days in a row.
Mm.
Kasi nag-UP fair ako.
Yes.
And like, medyo like 3 a.m. na ako nakauwi. So like I said, I'm not good at making puyat. Like, the next day, I'm like so tired.
Yeah.
So medyo like, nag-build up na yung pagod ko. And usually, sa sleep paralysis ako if like super tired. And then like yesterday, like when I went to sleep, because I sleep like I put the pillow here, ganyan. I like,
It's giving EXO.
like so I fell asleep on my side and then there was a pillow here, parang blocking the light. Because I want someone.
Just instinctively nasabi.
I want something like to cover my face. So like, I got sleep paralysis. So like, akala ko like gising na ako. Because that's how it works. So parang the last thing I see, like that's what I'm gonna see when I have sleep paralysis. So like yung view ko is like yung view ko if my eyes were open, kunwari. So may pillow dito. Pero like in my sleep paralysis, so the characters were Tristan Veron, Vincent Rosales, and Cara Minta.
Shout out!
So like feeling ko, like, di ba may pillow dito? So like feeling ko si Veron na like he's lying down on me, na parang hindi ako makagalaw. And I was like, like, di ba, like, and then, I can hear like the three of them like trying to wake me up. Na parang, Lexi, tara na, like alis na tayo, something. And I can feel them like going like this sa akin. Like literally, like physically, I can feel it. Kasi like the sleep, ganun yung sleep paralysis ko. No, I was like panicking because I couldn't move. Like, as in, I was like, ganun, like stuck. And like natatawa like ako when I woke up. And like, those are such random people to like
Yeah.
have a sleep paralysis
The
demons.
23s.
The 23s.
Grabe. Masyado na-embedded sa kanya yung clubbers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Napapanaginipan niya
That was
here and
crazy.
there.
That was just yesterday.
Yung sleep paralysis niya, may characters. Ako parang di lang ako makagalaw. Like, weird lang yung pakiramdam. Like,
Tristan,
Vincent and
Cara.
mga napapanaginipan.
Yeah, lumayo lang yun kay
Lumayo na kayo.
Get off me. Get off me.
Oh, I see. Well, in regards to that, do you also have any kwento about scariest thing that's happened to you? Or unless ika-count mo yung naghintay ka until 3 o'clock.
Hindi. Hindi naman sa super scary. More of like alarming. Pero, this was like last year lang. And I was PM for data management at the time. And then, SIG sheet yung hawak ko noon. And then, I dreamt about hindi ko siya na-claim sa A2. And then like, nakalipas na yung deadline. And then I was like, pagkagising ko, chinek ko yung date. I was like, should I claim it na ba? So, parang yun pa yung time na natapos na. Like, nabigay ko na yung SIG sheet sa apps. So parang, sinabi ko like sa GC, sabi ko, guys, napanaginipan ko yung SIG sheet. Na like, hindi ko na-claim. Tapos sabi nila, parang sign na yan na na like, higher position niya. Sabi ko, panaginip lang yun
Grabe. Nung sinabi ko scariest moment, akala ko may mga may multo.
Hindi.
Sig shit lang pala ang habol. Diyos ko po. Naku, mem ko. Naku, May. Ano ba itong mga pinapaano mo sa
Gawa mo sa kanila.
Diyos ko.
I love you, May.
I love you, May.
I love you, May.
She was my direct at the
Grabe.
time pa.
Ikaw, Alan, any scary moments?
Okay.
Scary story.
Scary. Okay, I think this is the third time I'm gonna say this.
Wait,
Kasi-
third time?
Because like, hindi naman, pero it's not multo naman. Pero I think kasi, diba, I just had a sleepover actually last night. And we were making
It's
kwento
over
about
pa
this.
talaga?
We were
Natik
making
natulog
kwento.
ba kayo?
Actually, hindi. pero we slept like 3 hours. So that's
Okay.
fine.
Pwede na.
Okay,
Pwede na.
sorry.
Pwede na.
Typical.
But yun, tapos ano siya, I think kasi, one of the perks of being like a night owl, as in like, meron kang, you get a hold of like, parang your surroundings, or like, what's happening, ganyan. Para, I mean, syempre, nakalock naman lahat ng bahay. Pero like, at least like, parang syempre, di ba, uma-attack yung like, wala, like mga intruders.
Yes.
Like sa mga gabi, sa gabi talaga.
Damn.
Sa gabi talaga sila, di ba? Para at least like, alam nila like, gising ka, alam nila lang, oh, hindi ko papasok itong bahay na to kasi like, gising pa yung tao, something like that.
True.
So like, I think yun yung mga like, one of the, like perks kapag like night out ka. But I think, there's this time, mga 2021, siguro kataas ko lang, like online class pa rin eh, kakatapos ko lang, hindi siya multo pagka intruder. Pagka intruder.
I'm scared.
But ano siya, I think mag-4 na nun. So I was like, okay, tapos naman ako sa ginagawa ko. Kakapatay ko lang lahat ng ilaw. Like, ganun kasi ako like sa bahay kasi. Pero kasi nung time na yun, wala yung lola. Like,
Ikaw lang
wala.
sa
Ako lang
bahay.
mag-isa. So ako lang talaga
Shucks.
mag-isa nun. Ako lang mag-isa.
Scary.
Tapos, pinatay ko na lahat ng ilaw. So nasa ano na ako, nakahiga na ako, naka-phone na lang ako, ganyan. And then, parang may narinig ako sa likod. Kasi it's a bungalow house. So,
Good.
bungalow house siya. And then like, yung kwarto ko, malapit siya dun sa like, alam mo yung likod? Na like, yung kitchen. Tapos parang like, may ano kasi dun eh, parang may backdoor doon. Malapit ako doon. So like, rinig ko kapag like may gumagano. So, narinig ko siya. So I was like, okay, so may tao. Like, may gumagano. So, ibig sabihin, nakapasok na siya sa gate.
Oh my God.
So, nakapasok na siya sa gate. Pero, ang maganda naman dito, hindi mo siya nakapasok sa bahay talaga itself. Pero like, yes, nakapasok siya sa gate dun sa like, around the house.
Yeah, good.
Oh my
Like, parang ganun kasi siya
The area.
around the house. And then, may gumagot talaga sa back door. And then I was like, okay, do I shout? Parang like, may tao dito, like, go away. Pero kasi nung time na yun, parang wala pang 15 minutes na like, nagpatay ako ng ilaw. So, he knows na may tao dun sa loob. And he's not scared of me. So, kapag sabihin ko siguro like, oh, may tao, kagising pa, like, baka masanin niya pa ako, i-threat niya pa ako na like, gusto mo, baka like gagawin to, ganyan-ganyan. So, like, ayoko namang mangyari yun. So, like, tumimik lang ako. Like, the whole time. And then, like, after yun, parang, chine-check ko lahat ng puwan yung pasukan. Like, nakalak naman, like, ano kalat. Pero, like, hindi talaga ako gumagawa ng ingay. And then, nakikita ko siya, as like, sinusundan ko lang siya. Nakikita ko siya, like, from the windows, na like, gumagano siya. And then, like, parang may tinatry siyang i-open. Pero, like, I think, meron dun one, like, window, na like, kita niya, parang glass lang kasi siya. Na parang like kita niya sa loob. And like iniiwasan ko yun, parang pag dumadaan kasi like medyo titignan pa niya. Parang titignan siya doon. So like kita niya yung sala and after like pumunta ulit siya. And then like pag sinusundan ko siya, pag titingin siya doon, like dapat hindi niya ako kita ganun. But it was crazy. It was scary.
so
Kasi
scary.
ako, mas takot ako sa like real na tao na like may masamang intensyon kaysa sa mga multo. Kasi alam ko naman sa mga multo. Kasi alam ko yung mga multo.
Ano papakita naman?
Oo, nagpapakita nila, pagkapatakot lang yan.
Dito
Like,
ako.
sige nga, sakta mo. Parang gano'n. Parang di ba? Pero hindi naman nila gagawin yung mga multo. And then like, yung mga tao kasi like, syempre kaya ka nilang like patay mo what. But, nung time na yun, hindi ko alam kasi if like, talagang mag-break in ba siya or what. Pero like, nakalak naman lahat. But, and yung windows kasi, hindi naman siya like, may grills naman siya. Thank God. Kasi kung like, glass lang siya na like sliding, wala nakapasok na siya. So, ayun. So parang, I think, like, good 1 hour lang na parang tinatry niya kung like, siya. Paikot lang siya. Nandun lang ako sa like, kailangan na like,
Patintero lang
tinignan ko
sila.
talaga. As in, like, sinachat ko ni nanay ko, na parang, sabi ko like, parang may tao, giginyan. Kasi wala nga yung nanay ko kasi, parang sa iba siya nakatira.
Yeah.
Tapos nangyari, I think, parang kusa na lang siya nawala. And then like, may dumating na tao, like, pinala ng nanay ko, na like, oh, check mo siya, ganyan. So yun lang, doon lang like nawala siya. But I think sobrang scary nun. Ayoko like, kasi parang I think niready ko na sa sarili ko na like, shit, matay na mo. Like, unahan ko na ba siya? Matay ka na
Huwag naman ganun.
I'm scared of like real people and I'm
That's
scared
gets
of
naman. Oo.
men.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't like men.
Yeah.
Medyo
gets
crazy.
it.
Medyo crazy yung one hour. Akala ko like maybe mga after 15 minutes,
Yeah.
sumuko na siya.
Hindi na eh.
Like, medyo may intention talaga siya.
Hindi talaga siya
Talaga
napagod.
Kasi yun din talaga, gusto ko like magsabi na lang na like, oh may tao dito, like may ano ako ganyan. Pero kasi like baka isipin niya like, oh mas malakas ko yun. Kasi medyo matang, alam ko parang nakita ko medyo malaking tao siya.
Oh my God.
So like parang ayoko din. So parang, and alam ko na like hindi siya takot sa akin. Kasi like, I think wala pang 15 minutes na like pinatay ko talaga. Like, he's trying to break me.
Yes.
So like, he knows naman na like may tao talaga sa loob. So yeah. So like, I just kept quiet the whole time. And then like,
Scary.
pero hindi naman ako umiyak. Pero like, sobrang lang yung pawis ko nun. Kasi parang ako natatay.
Gumagano ba yung
Like,
part
kumakaba.
mo? Like,
Oo.
Lord.
Ganun talaga. Kasi like, yeah, I think
on ka, like, during this
2021, that was
Oh,
4
pandemic?
years ago.
pandemic. 2021 pala.
Pandemic.
Grabe.
That was 18 that time.
Bagong
So,
adult
ingat
pala.
po tayo.
Safe.
Ilak po
Stay
natin.
safe, guys.
Ilak po natin lahat ng pintuan.
The windows, the doors, everything.
medyo nag-evasion tactics po siya.
Oh
my God.
Medyo smart yung...
I was ready to square up.
Ready na siya. Medyo smart yung nasa blind spot ka ng
Pero
bitaw.
ang talino mo, like, you were really like thinking.
True.
Like, kasi that was me, I'd like panic na. Like,
Yeah.
oh my God, oh my God. Like, I would
Baka
probably like
tumawag na
scream.
ako.
I would cry.
I like call, I don't know, like, medyo
Like,
matalino
sinusundan ko lang siya. Kasi like, it's a, parang pag ganun siya eh. Pag ganun lang siya na like, doon lang siya padaan.
Yes.
So like, parang sinusundan ko lang siya kung saan siya pwede pumasok. So yeah.
Rubbish.
I hate real men.
Yeah.
Okay.
Medyo malakas po ang kanyang
Like
fight or
people-
flight response.
Yeah, but yeah, I think that's the scariest man. Pero like, ghost stories, wala pa naman. Like,
Yes.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
We'll see, we'll
Ayoko na, please.
Lord,
Yeah,
Diyos
I
ko
think yun
po.
ang naman.
Just come up.
Crazy. Okay, well, on a more lighter note, and also to wrap things up na rin on our episode today, let's move to the positives. So, as I mentioned earlier, di ba, we're not just talking about the things we dream about in our sleep, but also things we dream about in real life. Yung mga pangarap and goals, aspirations natin. So, siguro to end the episode, what's one thing that you guys constantly dream about and wish you want to achieve? Na siguro before you sleep, sana mangyari to, or sana ma-achieve ko to, or sana, you know, ano yung mga what ifs or I hopes ninyo?
Ako, like, I'm panganay kasi. And
Well.
like, and I'm panganay like everywhere. Like, oldest abo, oldest pinsan, ganon. So, medyo ako yung like, you know, let's
The standard bearer.
trailblazers.
Yes. Grabe.
Something. So, yun. So, like, medyo intense yung pressure on me as like
The role
that
model.
role. Yeah.
Yes.
So, syempre, like, dream ko one day, like, I just want to be able to give my family, like, a comfortable life. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but I know that everything that I'm working hard for is for that purpose.
Wow.
Na mabigyan ko sila ng everything that we don't currently have. Na, like, all the needs are met and stuff like that. Parang ganun.
Ang random ng episode na to.
Pero yeah.
Diyos ko po. Yeah.
But like specifics, my dream car is a Jeep na charcoal gray.
Wow!
So pogi. Yan dream car ko.
Grabe.
Like, parang maangas. And then like, I want a house na may garden. Because I love plants. And I like,
Wow.
yun. So, like, very like specific
Vision.
things.
Yeah. Kasi meron siyang goal for the family and for herself.
Yes.
Wow, grabe.
Get sa nitty-gritty. I think doon lumalabas yung ano, like late night, yung talaga yung pinag-iisipan. Like, alam mo yung dream wedding, dream,
Yeah.
Wow.
dream house. As in, girl, like, okay, at in the near future, parang, medyo malayo pa yung wedding for me. But then like, I want a garden.
Lapit naman natin.
I want, hey!
Maghanap na.
Hey! But I want a garden wedding.
Cute.
Yeah, I want a garden wedding. And then,
Doon ka na lang sa garden niya.
Ay!
Magtulungan na kayo.
And then, in terms of like living, gusto ko like may isang condo unit in VGC or Makati. Tapos
fantasy.
isang bahay like Rizal or Tagaytay. Gusto ko like malamig. Yun.
Cooking.
Diba? So, but then that's like specific. For general, I think same din with Lexi. Panganay din ako. Pero I have a smaller family. So parang I want to, like alam mo yung may hinahabol akong oras low-key. Kasi like, I want to give back still at the prime of their time. So yun.
Habang kaya pa nila ma-enjoy.
Hanggang kaya pa nila ma-enjoy. Gusto ko like maagapan yon. And since I'm the oldest, parang that feels like not parang responsibility-ish or like
Tama naman,
something na like you wanted to do talaga and you could do. So yun.
Right.
Gets.
Yes.
Okay.
Dreams, goals,
Okay, so
inspiration.
like siguro yung perspective ko like very different because
Yeah.
I'm not the oldest. I'm the middle. I'm the middle child. And then ayun, parang I think I think wala namang sigurong gabi na like lumilipas na like isa yung practice na naiisip ko like what I want to be. Parang ganun naman siya. Like, kung ano yung gusto ko ma-achieve sa buhay. Parang, pati naman siya sumasagi sa isip ko. But I think for now, like, siguro ang naiisip ko lang na talaga is, gusto ko sa yung life na like bumukod eh. Like, siguro like, in ako naman. Kasi parang ako, hindi ko pa naman naiisip masyado yung like, yung mas malayong like dream na like of like owning a ganito, owning house. Siguro like after, ang naisip ko lang talaga yung like after ng college, like, okay, I'm gonna work and like, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung saan, but like, I'm gonna buy a condo and then like, dun muna ako mag-stay and then like, you know, dun ako gagawa na ako ng sarili ko money, ganyan, so like, dun ako uuwi. And after nun, parang pag-uwi ko sa bahay, as in like, parang i-treat ko yung like, siguro yung parents ko, ganyan. But I think, siguro kasi, I mean yung ano ko kasi, yung eldest kasi namin, yung kuya ko. I mean, wala pa naman siyang like 1 year na like nagkatrabaho. Kasi fresh grad lang siya.
Okay.
And then like parang, siguro na-hit ako ng reality na like, hindi agad talaga, kapag alam mo yung may first na like gumraduate sa pamilya, like hindi agad siya yung like mabilis na progress. Na like, may
Oo.
I mean, nakakita na ako na yung little progress, like wires ng bahay namin. It's like parang, ganito, parang nare-renovate yung ganyan. Parang maganda like nag-start siya. And parang, ako yung kuya ko, parang sinasabihan na niya ako na like, uy, kapag ikaw sundan mo yung like mga improvements na like nagawa ko, sa bahay, ganyan. Kasi like, mahirap din. Like, kasi siya, parang I think, lahat kasi ng parang na-earn niya, parang ginigastos niya talaga sa amin. Yeah.
Panganay thing.
Panganay. And then parang sabi ko, like, okay, parang once naman siguro graduate, like siguro ako naman. And then like,
Oo.
siguro, tas doon ka na mag-start na like, mag-ipon ka na talaga like for yourself, ganyan, doon ka na mag-ipon.
Savings.
So yeah, parang ako, nandun yung vision din sa akin na like, nandun yung vision sa akin na ayoko talaga muna magpamilya. Ayoko muna like ng anything, ayoko like mag-asawa or like what. Wala pa talaga. Like, as in like, family muna yung like isipin ko. And like, itutuloy ko kung ano yung natuloy ng like kuya ko. Pero I think, yung kuya ko sa dami na niyang like nagawa. Kasi I think, medyo ano rin siya big time siya. Nasa leagues siya now eh.
Shout out.
So yeah.
Shout out Nick.
So yun, pero ilang beses niya ako like hinihiritan talaga na like, uy, kaya ikaw ganyan-ganyan. Parang, wag maging selfish, ganyan-ganyan. And I think, parang sabi ko like, okay, sige, like, kapag graduate ako, sige, go. Pwede ka na maging selfish. Like, ako naman, like, time ko naman siguro. So yeah, pero I think, hindi pa naman ako yung like naisip like gusto ko na like owning like a big house. Wala pa ganun. Kasi medyo nag-hit na sa akin yung fact na like, hindi mo kami like, wala mo kaming like generational like so like matagal pa talaga. As in like siguro kung magkakaroon ako ng like ganun, as in like matagal pa siya.
Medyo from zero to.
From zero
Yeah.
talaga ako. As in like i-earn ko from like zero lahat. So yeah, medyo naging senti din siya ish when it comes to like family. Kasi like, iba rin kapag kapag nakikita mo like habang nag-aaral ka na like, di man nakukuha lahat ng family mo. So yun, parang you want to give them like everything like once you graduate. So yeah.
Real.
Aww.
Ang cute naman ng moment na to. Kala mo kanina hindi peanut butter pinag-uusapan natin.
Kaya na, may intruder na.
Oo. Good luck na lang sa editor kung paano niya ipapagsama to lahat into one. But yeah, that was really fun. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up everything. Before we do end, we also want to thank our very dearest sponsors, White Rock and Autoplus. Thank you so much for sponsoring the episode and iClub. And yeah, that pretty much ends everything. That ends this nighttime episode of the Extra Pod. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Grabe. Kamusta naman ang first time experience yung the Extra Pod? Saya naman.
Love it.
So fun.
Mga yappers po
Please
talaga
invite
sila.
us back next time.
Sabi nila yan. Sabi nila
Make
yan.
it 3-hour episode.
Yeah.
Kaya namin mag 3 hours.
Kaya nakabahan na yung mag-edit. Yun, but yeah, thank you so much for coming. Yun, big thank you to our guests, si Lexi, Alan, and si Jana. We know na like these past few weeks, exams, Hell Week, papers, research, whatever. So like, super thank you talaga na you guys could be here. And sana na-enjoy nyo rin yung
Yeah.
stay here on the Extra Pod. Sabi nyo naman babalik kayo. So kaya nyo na yan. So yun, to our dear listeners, if you loved hanging out with us, make sure to follow the Extra Pod, the most extra on Spotify. And for even more #extra fun content, make sure to watch our latest video, Clubber Cam, on the Extra TV on YouTube. So also make sure to follow us on our socials, the Extragram and the Extra Talk on Instagram and TikTok. And once again, I'm Troy, your host. So stay tuned for more because we have more in store for you guys. And yeah, that's all for now. This has been the Extra Pod. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And always remember to do the right thing. Thank you.
Where to